Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. Hope you are doing great. In this video, we are going to see how Cheat Fund process will work in Jainam Software. So just have a look. From the group management, I will go to the create group. So here I will create new Cheat Fund group. So let's create Cheat Fund group new. Here you need to select the collector. So let's say it's a Neha Paul, and here you can select the bidding. So we have the bidding advance and normal bidding also. So I will explain. In this you need to create one agent. So I will select one agent name here and total members. So let's say total members we have 5 and installment amount will be 10,000. So total group amount will be 50,000. Now total installment is 6. So individual contribution is 60,000. Now business minimum bidding amount percentage is 5% and maximum bidding percentage is 40%. Here you can write the agreement number. Let's say agreement 1234. Collection frequency you can select according to your convenience. So let's say monthly, and auction frequency is also monthly. So here we have normal bidding and lucky draw also. So I will select normal, and company commission is 5%. I will select on cheat value. So all this information we need to fill up, and commission agent percentage, let's say 1%. So I will create this group. Here you can see I have created this cheat fund new group. I can delete old group. If I want to delete this old group, I can delete it. Here you can see now I have only one group, that is cheat fund group new. Now I will go to the, I have already created few members. If you go to the customer or list, here I have created 34 records. So this is the customer entry form. You can create the member. So let's say member 1. Like this you can create 5 members. So I will create 5 members from here. Member 2, then member 3, then member 5, 4 and 5. So this total member I need to add in our cheat fund group. Now I will go to the group management and add member to group. So here I will select this group and show here. So Pune is a standard group which customer we have mapped in group A, group Pune group. So I will select this all members 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I will add to the cheat fund group. So here you can see now cheat fund group having 5 members. Now I will go to the set member account. Here you need to select the group name and just refresh, and you need to click on the set all members account. So you can see one by one 5 accounts are created. So in the next video we will see the next step. Let's connect to the next video.